Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. This video is about Huacachina, which is a tiny picturesque village located in the Ica region of Peru, about 300 kilometers south of Lima. The hidden gem is nestled in the midst of stunning desert landscape, surrounded by towering sand dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. The village is built around a beautiful lagoon, which is believed to have been created by a mermaid according to local legend. With its unique combination of natural beauty, adventure opportunities, and rich cultural heritage, Huacachina is an exciting destination for travelers looking to explore off the beaten path. Visitors can enjoy a range of activities including sandboarding, dune buggy rides, paragliding, and wine tasting, as well as exploring the nearby ancient reliefs and learning about the local wildlife. Despite its small size, Huacachina has a lot to offer from its breathtaking scenery and exciting activities to its rich cultural and historical views. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Huacachina is a must visit destination in Peru. Here are some unknown facts about Huacachina, Peru. Number 1. It is an oasis in the desert. Huacachina is a tiny village built around a picturesque lagoon surrounded by massive sand dunes, making it a surreal oasis in the Peruvian desert. Number 2. Legend of the Mermaid. According to local legend, the lagoon was created by a mermaid who was discovered by a young hunter, and to protect herself, she created the lagoon and the surrounding dunes. Number third one is sandy dunes. The dunes surrounding Huacachina are some of the tallest in the world, reaching height of over 1000 feet, that is 300 meters. Number 4, Adventure Sports Hub. Huacachina is a popular destination for adventure sports like sandboarding, dune buggy rides, and paragliding. Number 5, wine production. The surrounding region of Ica is known for its wine production, and visitors can tour local vineyards and taste some of the Peru's best wines. Number 6, Pisco production. Huacachina is close to several pisco distilleries where visitors can learn about the production of Peru's national spirit. Number 7th one, Mysterious geoglyphs. The nearby desert is home to mysterious geoglyphs similar to the Nazca lines, which are still not fully understood. Number 8, Rare wildlife. The lagoon and surrounding dunes are home to rare wildlife including Andean foxes, viscasas, and over 100 species of birds. Number 9, Small population. Huacachina has a tiny population of less than 100 residents, making it one of the smallest villages in Peru. Number 10, Off the beaten path. Despite its natural beauty and adventure opportunities, Huacachina remains a relatively unknown destination, making it an exciting discovery for travelers. I hope you will like my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.